Welcome back to Review One Box. In today's video we are going to talk about the all-new 2023 Toyota BZ4, an electric sedan which has been leaked. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get the notification of the upcoming videos. Links in the description below, and don't forget to follow us on social media. Toyota's first electric sedan built by BYD is nearing its launch as patent images have been leaked. Test mules were spotted testing in China showcasing the sedan in its production form. It will be called BZ5 and will become a part of the Toyota's BZ series of electric cars like the BZ4X SUV. The patent images show us that the BZ5 sedan will stay very much true to the original concept. In terms of dimensions, the BZ5 electric sedan will be larger than the new Corolla in every aspect. According to information, the development process is still far from finished, without rear-view mirrors or door handles as shown in the pictures. BYD hasn't released any technical information, so it's unclear about the battery capacity and the driving range, but it might get benefit from BYD's LFP battery pack. The BZ5 EV will likely break covers in China towards the end of this year. So, stay tuned to our channel for more information regarding vehicles. As always, thanks for watching. Like, comment and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.